Hello, this is WoodBridge. Today we'll be showing you how to remove the top for the LT610. So first you will need some gloves, and then you'll also need a Phillips head with some channel locks. So the first thing you want to do is open up the lid and the seat. As you'll see on both ends, you'll have these covers, which you'll then need to remove in order to access the screws, which are holding down the actual seat. So there's one screw, and here is the other. So after you remove that, all you need is you grab your Phillips head and you loosen this up until it's completely disconnected. You'll feel it once it is disconnected, and then you do the same thing to the other side. Now once that's done, all you have to do is pull up from this area. Grab your channel locks because you'll be disconnecting something from the other side. Let me move these. So you pull up and move forward. So now if you come back here, you'll see we have multiple connections that we do need to remove. First one we want to remove is this one. So you grab some channel locks and you loosen this nut. Once you loosen that nut, you need to wiggle that out of there so you can have more room. Now you'll have this wire over here. You also have a nut on it, which you then need to remove as well. And then you could pop off. You have one more of these wires over here. Same thing. You have a nut, which you'll then need to twist until it loosens. So you can then disconnect this wire. Now the last part is this part over here. So you'll have to loosen this switch. You can see it's moving. So you have to push it forward and slide it up so you can disconnect it. Now you want to pop that white piece out of there. So you move this forward, bring the wire out, and there you have it. And now the bidet is disconnected.